Hey y'all, my name is Vinny. I'm a junior from Anderson University and I'm an instructor specialist at Camp Ozark. Back home in upstate South Carolina, one of my favorite things to do is mountain bike. When I heard about Camp Ozark and saw that I could spend my summer in a beautiful place with amazing people doing what I love, I knew I had to be there. I love getting to teach kids and coach them as they explore a number of different sports and activity opportunities here at camp. Seeing them grow and conquer new skills brings me so much joy. Instructor specialists have to be super flexible, and I'm often called to help out in a number of different capacities at camp. In this way, things stay fresh and no day is ever the same. I embrace the grind and love being able to push myself physically, mentally, and spiritually to grow towards things I've never thought myself capable of doing. Camp is challenging, but it's the kind of difficult that helps you see that potential and attain it. From refereeing games and teaching lessons with kids to working with other staff members and building an awesome community, Camp Ozark has offered me so many different opportunities to do what I love and make some truly special relationships along the way. I love the flexibility I have, and camp really trusts me to do the work that I've been asked to do. I get to take ownership over my classes and work on my leadership and planning skills. While camp isn't for the faint of heart, this place has brought me so much joy, and I know I'm a better version of myself now than when I first got here, and that is truly special.